Okay guys, you are welcome to your gallery. Click on capcut, then you are going to be clicking on new video. Click on new video, look at library up there. You click on library, locate this library, click on it. This is the different options that we have got. Look at the options we have here, but I am going to be choosing this very one. So I will click on this one now. I will pick it and import it to my workspace. All right, so this is what we have got so far. Look at it, very fantastic. Then you come back now, you go and look for overlay. So locate overlay, guys. You click on overlay, you click on add overlay. Make sure you are on photo. Then you import the photo you want to use, your preferably photo. I want to use this one. As I import it, I go and look for mask. Locate mask now. All right, look for mask. Look at mask here. You click on mask, click on circle, then you come down here and circle yourself. All right, the way you want to be, your preferably position you want to use. So you circle it. After doing your circling, as you come down to do your circling so that it will look neat, after your whole circling, you're going to use this arrow. Look at the arrow down there. You drag that arrow down. No, it's too much. Just drag it down a little bit. After dragging it, you mark on the good and go back. Then you expound it. After expounding it, position it the way you want it to be. Then you are going to be dragging it to cover your video. I mean to cover this background. Drag it. Come back, make it align. Then after that, we are going to be trimming this part. So click here, trim it front a bit. After which, look at how it's going to be. Look at, but this is not how it's going to be. We are going to be clicking it. Click it. Click on animation there. You click on fade in. Click on fade in. Look at that green arrow down there. You drag it. After dragging it, you mark on that good there. Then you are going to be going back. Let's play it now and see how it's going to play. All right, look at it. Look at you now coming out from the sky. This is fantastic animation. All right, but after this part now, we are going to be doing something else. Then you come back, you click on this arrow here, click on text, add text. Then we see these different options here under trending. All right, then I'm going to be using this one, this golden. Then when you click the golden and come in, you click it, then we delete this golden, delete it, remove it. After removing it, then you can write anything of your choice. I decide to write KV and Ronaldo. Look at what I am doing. I've written KV already. Then I'm going to be writing and then Ronaldo. Then Ronaldo, because it's both of us that is on that very picture image there. So KV, myself, and Ronaldo. After writing it, you click on font. You can choose your preferably font size. Look at what I choose there. Then you mark on this gold. Then you go back, click it, and still drag it to cover your video. Okay, drag it to cover your video. After that, you can come back now. This is how it's going to play what we have got so far. All right, but we want to still add something to it. You still click on this add text. After adjusting it, click on this add text again. After doing your necessary adjustment, I'm adjusting mine so that it will look good when it is playing. Then trim it to be equal. But after the whole adjustment, we're still going to be clicking on add text. As we click on this arrow here, you click on add text again. You go and locate this other text effect here. Look at this one that carries fire. Aura farming. I think that is the name. Aura farming. Look at it. Aura farming. When you import it, you click it and drag it to cover your video. Make it align. You still come back. Then you click it and expound it. You are going to be expounding it. Expound it. Okay, then you drag it down. By the time it's playing now, you will see that the fire will make it look more fantastic and more beautiful. So at this point, we are going to be playing it from the beginning, guys. Okay, remember to add your sound effect, your light effect, every other effect you want to add on this video, your sweet sound. After adding them, you can now export your video to your gallery. If you don't know how to add your sounds and every other thing, DM DM me. I am going to put you through on how to add your necessary effects, as my number is at the description of this video. After that, you click on export, then you export your video now to your gallery. As you can see, it's exporting. Now this video I've installed in your gallery, you can now share it to your social media handles. All right, like, comment and share this video, guys, so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Just in case you have a magic tricks or effect you would like us to create together, drop them at the comment section. You are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, locate your notification bell and smash on it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay guys, see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.